Question 1. Which of the following is the same as 8,040? Which of the following is the same as 8,040? Okay. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. A lot of you got it correct. Okay. I wonder what will the points be now. Okay. Where's the next button? Okay. Noble Sable. Okay. Prairie Falcon. You all are the number 1 and number 2 with only 1 point apart. Okay, then we got the Smooth Bison, the Eagle Elk, and the Epic Macaw. And the 5th place is at 920 points. Okay, for those who just joined the live, we have only done the first question. If you want to join the Kahoot, by all means, go to www.kahoot.it. Enter this game pin 309867. Okay, 309867. I'm gonna hold this here for 1 minute. Okay, you can join in. Okay, but in the meantime, there's a solution. I go through a solution first while you all are joining. I'll put the game pin on the chat 309867. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Next. Alright, so the solution is basically what we do is we split the 8,040 to 8,040. Okay? No, today is not chocolate. Today is back to popular voucher. Okay? And then 8,000 meter is 8 kilometer. And then 40 meter is 40 meter lah. So it's 8 kilometer and 40 meter. Okay? Alright, so for those who just joined in, welcome. Okay, if you want to test your PSLE math skills, okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin at 309867. Okay? And for those who've never seen us before, okay, do follow us for future live, okay, because usually on the week we have live for secondary school math, primary school math, and we'll also be having primary school science, okay, especially on next Thursday. Alright, okay, so if you follow us, you'll be notified whenever we go live. Okay, alright, so if you want to join the Kahoot, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 309867. Alright, so for our previous live questions and solution, you can go on to our Telegram. You can see on my top of my screen here also, I put here MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, and also you go there and then you can download our previous live worksheets and also with the solution. And you can also search for MasterMathsTV on YouTube to see the recording of our previous live. Okay? Okay, anyone's joining right now? Okay, if all okay, then let's go to the next question. Question 2. Okay. A, B, C, D, you see at the bottom here? Okay, if you want to join P and Q to each of the points, which will form a right angle triangle. Okay, I want to form a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Are you sure it's 4? Purple. Oh, we have a Rizzler joining. White. Black. 4, what is 4? Okay, so very good, okay? It's equally distributed. I think a lot of people put green also because like what is it called? People are putting 4 on the chat. That's why some people say I might just put green. Not enough time already. Okay. Okay, wow, there's a lot of changes on the podium, okay? Now we have the falcon at the first place, with the bison at the second place, with a huge gap, as in slightly bigger gap lah, okay? Okay, then noble sable, and then we got the great squid. Okay, now let's take a look at the solution. Okay, so if we were to use D, right? Actually, D, if you were to use your ruler, it might look like a right angle triangle, but actually it's not. Okay, A is more of a right angle triangle. Okay, if you were to use the D, actually the angle there is forming like a, what's it called, like a it's a bit like a obtuse angle rather than an acute angle. Okay, yeah. So the way usually to do this, guys, just join it up and then use your set square. You know the triangle ruler, okay? The triangle ruler with the 90 degree at the corner there, and then just put it on your triangle. See, do you get a 90 degree or not? Okay. Now let's go to question 3. Okay, so this is about measuring of a pin, okay, paper clip. So how do you measure this when it doesn't start from the first one? Okay, so how do you measure? It's not 3.4. Okay, because it doesn't start from 0. If it starts from 0, yes, it's 3.4. Okay, but here it started at 1. But don't really, let's see. Okay, wow, every question it changes. Okay, now we got the great squid at the first place with 2,624 points. Okay, those with the book at home, don't refer to the answer key, okay? Come on, let's do it as a practice. Okay? Alright, and then the fearless turtle. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so like I said just now, we start off from 1. Okay, when we start from 1, what we need to do is we need to subtract. So 3.4, those who were saying 3.4 was correct. Okay, like you correctly measure the ending point, but you need to subtract the starting point. That's why I subtract 1 equals to 2.4 cm. Okay, so the length of the paper clip is 2.4 cm. Okay, Manas, don't worry. Later, if you get number 1 spot, you can just submit a screenshot. Okay. Okay, so for now, before going to the next question, okay, this is more of like a reading break. I give you all 2 minutes to understand this graph first, because this graph will be used for question 4 and question 5. Okay? Alright, come. Read and understand the graph. In the meantime also, okay, you can continue to share and like this live, okay? Do share with your friends. Okay, if you're just joined, follow us. Click on the follow button. Follow us if you haven't followed us already. Okay, if you already follow us, do share this with your friends. Okay. your classmates, and then share with them. PC users as in computer, the desktop computer PC. Okay, all okay? Yeah, so help us okay, share with your friends and also do like us, alright? Just spam everywhere in the screen, can you? Alright, everyone ready to answer question 4 and 5 to see what is question 4 and question 5? Everyone ready? If you are ready, press like. So when I see lots of likes coming up on the screen, I know you all are ready. Okay? Come on, press the like, press the like. Okay, press the like. If all okay. Okay, now let's go. Don't worry, Coach Shaira will be back, okay? So the first question is, what was the height of the plant in June? What was the height of the plant in June? What was the height of the plant in June? Okay, not July, not May, not April, not March. June. Okay, very good. Alright, 18 of you. Alright, so don't put answers on the chat lah, okay? Do try out, okay? Let others a chance to also try, okay? It's not like you put the answers there and then you get the points also, extra points, no, okay? Alright, and then also be positive, okay, on the chat. So it will be a happy environment for people to enjoy the live, okay? Okay, wow, the first 3 people maintain their position, okay? We got the Great Squid still at number 1, followed by the Fearless Turtle at number 2, and then the Honest Bee still at number 3, okay? And their points are also quite close, okay? So the Fearless Turtle, you can overtake the Great Squid, okay? Okay, alright. So come on, be positive, okay? And let's enjoy this life together, okay? Okay, so for the first question, right? Usually for myself, what I would recommend my students is always to, whenever you get a graph question, okay, you always identify the numberings first. Like in March is 12, April is 24, May is 44, June is 68, July is 84. Okay, so basically immediately you can answer lah, June is 68. Because why? There's a possibility another question that is using the same graph will have a question that requires you to understand the amount in each of the month, not just in June. Alright, like what we will see in question 5. Okay, everyone ready? Okay, let's go. Now, question 5, double points. In which of the following periods did the plant grow the most? In which of the following period did the plant grow the most? Which period? Okay, so they're asking for period, okay, not month, not just a single month, but like a month to month. So that's why this kind of hood will help you, okay, help to revise again. Okay, and map, I mean like graph reading is a very good skill because you'll be used like when you enter the workforce, right? you are asked to find, like, tabulate the data into graph, and then you have to answer your graph again. Alright, I think it's August to September. Okay, don't worry Naya, I will tell Coach Haira that you mentioned this. She'll be happy to hear about this. Okay, very good. May to June. Okay, why May to June? Okay, let's see the points first. Wow, there's a lot of changes. Now the fearless turtle, okay, is at 5,974 points, with the radiant tiger very close by at 5,934 points, followed by the smooth bison, only a difference of 4 points at 5,930. Okay. Let's see the solution now. Okay, we have 11 questions altogether. Okay, so to find the difference, right? To find how much they grow, you use the difference. Okay, difference is what? Difference is minus. Difference between the start of the month to the next of the month, and then the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one. Alright, so from here, March to April, we subtract 24 and 12, you will get 12. And then April to May, we subtract 44 and 24, we get 20. And then May to June, we subtract 68 and 44, you get 24. June to July, we take 84 minus 68, we get 16. Okay, so you see here the biggest difference is May to June. That's why the answer is option number 3. Yes, you can identify the line, okay, but at the same time must make sure it's the one going up. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is like a quick break, okay, to share with you all that for those who didn't know about us before this, we are MasterMaths Education Center. So basically what we do is we provide tuition services for math, for science, for math and science. Okay, for math we do from primary 1 all the way to Sec 4. Science is primary 3 to PSLE. Okay, primary 3 to primary 6. Okay, and also we have English for PSLE. Alright, so to know more about us, you can go to www.mastermaths.com.sg, okay, and you can sign up for a free trial. Okay, if you are new, you can sign up for a free trial. If you are our student already, you can also recommend a friend. Okay, yeah, so you can recommend your friend to come for a free trial also. Okay, we are at 5 different locations. Okay, we are at Farrer Park, Jurong East, Tampines, Woodlands, and the last one is basically a virtual session. Okay, so basically you can join online on Zoom. Okay, if let's say the other 4 locations are very far for you. Okay, alright, so we got quite a number of options. Alright, so now everybody ready to carry on? Are you all ready? If you're ready, spam the like button now. Okay, and then we'll continue. In the meantime, for those who just joined and would like to try your luck to win the $10 popular voucher, can go to www.𝐂𝐤𝐡 and enter this game pin at the bottom of my screen here, 309867. Okay. Alright, okay, come. Okay, do like and follow if you are new, especially if you are new, follow us and you will be notified for our future live also. And usually our live you stand a chance to win that popular voucher also. Alright, okay, now let's go to the next question. Another double point question. Solve the question below. Okay, how many letters have a line of symmetry? How many letters have a line of symmetry? Are you sure it's red? Or is it purple? Or is it white? Maybe black color also. Yes, correct. No, not yellow. Are you sure it's yellow? Rotational symmetry. Yeah, that was secondary school. In primary school, you just need to identify the line of symmetry only. Okay, there are 2 letters there that have a line of symmetry. The rest all don't have. Okay, now let's see your points first, then we'll see what are the 2 letters. Wow, very good. Radiant Tiger at 7,924 points. The Smooth Bison is at 7,916 points. Okay, the Honest Bee is slightly behind at 7,274 points. Okay, the 5th place is at 6,335 points. Okay, so still got chance, Okay, so not sure if you can see clearly, there's a red line here. So the letter E, you can split in the middle, and that is a symmetry. Right? You see, if I were to fold it upwards, it's the same. And then the letter Z, you cannot cut it vertically, horizontally, diagonally. Also, it's not a symmetry. Okay? Because diagonally means, how do I say it? Like if I were to fold it this way, actually, if I were to cut it, it's supposed to be like an arrow shape like that. Okay? And the other one is your letter T. Okay, your letter T also you can cut in the middle. Okay, then it will be like foldable, mirror image. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. To use Z in geometry. Z as in the angles property, is it? Alright, arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Alright, yes, Mikhail, what is it? Yes, N-levels can ask this kind of question also. Yes, can. Oh, okay. So, question 7 is something that if I'm not wrong, question 7 is on pie chart, and pie chart is something that some of you may have done it, some of you may have not done it yet. That's why we didn't show it in this slide in the Kahoot. Okay. Now Mikhail, you are caught for cheating. Don't refer to the answer key. Later there will be some more skips also, you know. Alright, very good. 17 of you got it correct. Very good, very good. Okay, we'll see later why it's not 4. Initially when I looked at the question also, I thought it was 4. Then when I see again, it's 3. Okay. Alright, the Honest Bee took over. Very good. Okay, it's now at number 1. And then we got the Diligent Zebra at 8,117 points. Still got chance, Don't worry. Okay, now let's see. So, usually this kind of question, right, what I will do is, if they are of different decimal place, right, I will try to make them to the same by adding zeros. Okay, like 6 is, there's no decimal place, so I should put it as 6.00. And then 6.3, I put it 6.30. Then 6.03. So it's easier for you to compare. Okay, so in this case, actually the largest will be your 6.3, which is at option 2 and option 3. And then when we look at the next one, it's supposed to be the next smaller, which is 6.03, then 6. So that's why the answer is option 3. Okay, the code is 309,867. Okay, alright, if you are new, okay, never seen us before, follow us, okay, and welcome. Okay, I'm Coach Mo from MasterMath. Okay, we are an education center. Alright, you can find out more about us at mastermaths.com.sg. Okay, alright, all ready to go to question 8? Alright, now question 8. No, today no chocolate. Okay, so you are given that the area of the shaded part is 18 cm square. Okay, now we want to find, they're asking for what is the volume of the cuboid. And the cuboid have a square base area. Okay, a square base. Okay, so what's special about the square? And how are we going to help you to find the area, the volume of this cuboid? Yeah, today so far no debit, no credit. Okay, come on, try, okay? And then option 1, red is 1, blue is 2, yellow is 3, green is 4. Okay? Okay, come on guys, don't put the answer on the chat. Okay? Give others a chance to try also, okay? Because when you put the answer, sometimes because of the rush, right, they will just use your answer. And you're not sure, so maybe your answer might be correct, might be wrong, the answer that you put, okay? Yeah, so don't put it on the chat lah, okay? I think the answer is 18 lah, but don't use my answer lah, because it's not one of the option also, right? Okay, 23 more seconds. Let's go. Okay, so if you are new, follow us, alright? And also to find out more when our live are on, okay, and to find out more about our upcoming activities, our programs, you can go to our Instagram also, okay, at MasterMathsTV. Alright, okay, 13 of you put option 4. Very good. Okay, we got the Radiant Tiger taking over the Honors B. Okay, and then followed by a very close Noble Sable. Okay, and Bros Ants and Honors B. Alright, so what do? We first find the length, because we don't know the length, right? Volume is what? Length, breadth, and height. Okay, you already know that the height is 2. And since it is a square base, what's special about square? A square have equal sides. So all you need to know, just find the length, and the length will be equal to the breadth. Okay, so the length of the rectangle, that shaded face, right, will give you the length of the cuboid also. So how do we find the length? Okay, because area is length times breadth. In this case, the breadth is 2, the length is what you want to know. So we divide. We take 18 divided by 2, we get the length. So once we have the length, we find the volume by taking 9 times 9 times 2. 81 times 2, 162 cm cube. Okay? Cannot, because when you do that, it's like doing surface area, Dila, when you do 18 times 2, okay? Because 18 is just the area of one side. You can, instead what you can do is take area multiplied by the breadth, then you get the volume also. Okay, but you need to find what's the breadth first lah. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next question. This one. You are given a table, okay, of score 11 to 20 and number of pupils that got each of the score. The highest score means a better performance, and prizes were given to the top 9 pupils. 9 pupils will only get a prize. Okay, what was the lowest he could have scored so that he will win the prize? Okay, you got 60 more seconds to answer. What is the lowest he could have scored? More seconds. 30 more seconds. No. Prizes were given to the top 9 pupils. Okay, so does it mean that lower is better? Are you sure? Okay, come on, math is not about guessing, math is about logic. Okay, so come on. Think which one makes the most sense. Okay, you got 5 more seconds. If you haven't answered, answer now. Wow, very good. Most of you got it correct. Okay. Wow, the top 3 remain the same. Okay, we got Radiant Tiger, Noble Sable, and Bronze Ant, all at 11,000 with points very close to each other. Okay, y'all can easily be in on the roll to actually win that number 1 prize. And the number 4 and number 5 also got chance. Don't worry. Okay, so top 9, right? Top 9 meaning we see the first 3, the 20, the 18, the 17. There's 5, there's 3, there's 1. When we plus them all together, we got 9. Okay? So possibly Arjun is actually in this range. Okay? 17, 18 or the 20th. So the lowest he could have scored is 17. That's why the answer is 17. Okay? Higher is better here. Okay? Okay. The original price of a file was $Y. This is the algebra question. Okay. Kumar bought 10 files. If he was given a discount of $1 for every 2 files, how much did he pay altogether? So every 2 files, he gets a discount of $1. Okay. Each file is $Y. Okay. Yeah. So those who are still in primary 5, you have not learned algebra yet. Okay, but you can think of Y like a unit. Okay. Yeah. So if 1 file is 1 unit, 10 file how many units? Then replace the unit with the Y. Okay. So a unit, actually when you all learn units and all that, right, is the same as algebra. It's just that when you go to primary 6, we call it algebra. Okay, it can be similar concept. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for those who haven't learned algebra, think of algebra like a unit. Okay, so if like 1 unit is 1 file, 10 files how many units? And then after that, you got discount. What do you do to this amount of units? Okay? Yeah, we do almost every week. Okay? For now. Okay, so every week there will be a chance to win that $10 popular voucher. Alright, so you just join, okay? Yeah, there's discount in Bilal, this is a money question. Okay. Alright, if you are confident that your answer is correct, spam the like button. The answer came out already. Okay, 22 of you got it correct. Only a few of you got it wrong. It's okay. Okay, let's see in a while why the answer is number 3. Okay, the top 5 position remain the same. Interesting. Let's go. Alright, so if one file is Y dollars, 10 file, you multiply the Y by 10. So what do you get? It's like I said just now, right? Okay, code is 309,867. Okay, so 10 times Y, you get 10Y. Okay, if you're thinking about your units, you will be thinking about 10 units, 10Y. Okay, so because every 2 file got discount of $1, so I do a divide. Because I got 10 file, I divide by 2. I know I'll be getting a discount of $5. Okay, but $5 meaning discount, right? Discount means minus. So that's why 10Y minus 5. Okay, so that's why 10Y minus $5. Okay, so because a file is Y dollars. Means one file Y dollar. So 10 file, 10 Y dollars. That's why it's not option 1. Okay. Alright. Okay, come on guys, be friendly on the chat. Okay, be friendly to one another, help each other out. Okay. Alright, final question of the day. Okay, what fraction of the rectangle ACEF is shaded? What fraction of rectangle ACEF is shaded? So this might apply to your area of triangle. Okay, I know you all learn area of triangle already in primary 5, right? Okay, so cannot say whatever learn. Okay, and don't think about I don't think there is a way that you can just split this figure into equal portions. Okay, you may be able to do that. Okay, but basically you can also use area of triangle. Okay. Okay, we got 2 more minutes, and this is your final chance to score points to get that top position, to get that $10 popular voucher. Okay, don't refer to the PSLE book answer key. Okay. Okay, I'll tell Coach Shahira this also. Next time if you use PSLE question, don't put in order. Jumble the order. And those who are referring to the answer key will be like, why answer key put 3, you put 2? Okay, come on guys, work it out, work your brain, okay? Online copy. Oh, okay. Yeah, you find the area, you can express the area as a fraction. Okay? Oh, because it's all the MCQ questions. Okay, basically I'm taking the module A and I'm picking out questions that will only be covered in semester 2 before then I'll put it in the book. Okay, 40 more seconds. Okay, very good. Okay, that means everyone already selected your answer. That's why it end. Oh yeah, later it will show the points, I think. That's why. Okay, so for this question, right? What I do is I find the area individually first. Okay? First I find the area of the rectangle itself by taking 5 times 4. Because the length is 5, the breadth is 4. And then BCG is the top triangle, okay? the top triangle. I put a G at the corner and the center there, if you can see here. I labeled the center as G. Okay, so half times 3 times 2. Okay, we'll get 3 cm squared. And then BFG is the bottom triangle. Also, half times 3 times 2, you get 3. So the total area of the shaded triangle is 3 plus 3 is 6. Over rectangle is 20. 6 over 20, simplest form, is 3 over 10. Alright, everyone good? Okay, are you all ready to see who's the top 5? Again, who's the number 1 for today? Alright, let's go. So before that, as per usual, okay, you can scan this QR code first. Take a screenshot of this QR code. Okay. And then if you are the number 1 for today, you can submit your details for you to claim your $10 popular voucher. Alright, everyone good? Okay, I'm going to hold on here. Anyone else need a screenshot? Okay, now, before that, just a reminder again, on this weekend, okay, on the 15, 16, 17 and 18, we have additional for science also. We'll be having a PSLE crash course for math and science. Okay, conducted by Coach Irfan, Coach Shahira, and also Coach Ryan. Okay, so take this opportunity, especially if you are doing your PSLE this year or next year. Take this opportunity to actually improve your math. Okay, the tips that they will share will really be useful for you to improve on. Something that you put in practice, you will get your score up, confirm. Okay, I've seen students improve their PSLE math by a lot after attending this crash course. Alright, so lastly, let's see the podium. Okay, number 3 is Noble Sable. Number 2 is Bronze Ants. Number 1, Radiant Tiger. Okay, so Brownie Hood, what you can do is you can message in our TikTok. Okay, just message there and ask them. Okay, so again, Radiant Tiger, you can take a screenshot on your phone. Okay, showing that you're number 1 with your points. Take a screenshot of that. Okay, and submit it. Okay. Alright, so that's it for today. We've done quite a number of questions coming from the booklet A. Alright, so to score well in PSLE, all you have to do is really just to practice. To understand, then practice, then redo. Alright, okay, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone. My name is Coach Mo. I'll be here again next week on Wednesdays for the P5 Math live stream. Alright, thank you everyone. For those who are fasting, selamat berbuka puasa, and see you all. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, tomorrow I won't be around. Okay, so my next live will be on Wednesdays, next week Wednesdays. Okay, for those who wants to see the QR code, okay, you can scan this QR code. Okay. Yeah, today, tomorrow there's no P5 live. Okay. I'll be back next Wednesday. Yes. Alright, anyone else needs the QR code? Alright, if not, see you all next week. Have a great week ahead. And also those going for your March holidays, enjoy your March holiday. Okay, Brownie, you message in the TikTok. Okay, TikTok there's a message there, right? Okay, message there. Yeah, I'm doing Saturday for 3, 4 and 5 at Tampines. Okay, alright, bye bye. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye bye.